What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTB Alex, and today I'm gonna be taking Quasimodo up to the trail. Let's see how this thing performs. Okay, real quick, if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you can keep up with the build of this bike and other videos that I have already made. Please comment, share, leave any comments throughout the video of what you'd like to see. Comments down below, make sure they're appropriate. Other than that, let's go ahead and ride. All right, so far I'm a mile in from my house in the trail, and I'm not gonna review the group set. I will do that in a separate video because it's not fair. Now I can tell that the group set is actually helping the chain slap. With the original derailleur that comes with this bike, the chain slap is inevitable. I don't think this is gonna be the case with this one. Kidding. No, I did made it. It took a little more effort than used to, but it's just telling me that this bike is more than capable of doing something like that as well. So it will not hold the bike back if you don't upgrade that freewheel. You can go by and actually clear stuff like that. And let's keep going. Let's check out that fork and those brakes. All right. Well, I gotta say, that fork, I was expecting something very bad and clunky. This one, it hasn't bottomed out yet. It actually feels a little more stiff, but you can also feel that on the handlebar. So it's a win-lose situation, I guess. The brakes are trash. Cannot put it any other way. They're not stopping me. So that is a necessary upgrade. Even if you're gonna upgrade back to mechanical grade brakes, but it's necessary. Luckily in this trail, there's not too many drops. There's no downhills whatsoever, but they're not the safest ones. So yeah, complete upgrade. I'm not saying to change the brake, the disc brakes. I'm not saying to change the rotors, but just the actual mechanism itself, yes. And there's another climb. Fuck. was spinning. That was not good. Now, flat pedals. These are very slippery. You can easily upgrade them for really, really good ones for as little as $10. So my thoughts so far. Fork impressed me. It's not too bad, but it's not good either because you can feel all the bumps on the handlebar. I didn't talk about the handlebar. The handlebar is steel, and I think it's a 720, which is not too bad. The stem might be about 70, 80 millimeters. So a shorter one will make it more playful whenever you turn. Now, the disc brakes, front and back. However, both of them are 160 millimeters. I was expecting at least 180 over here and 160 on the back. Now, the Mega Range, Mega Drive is right there. It's a free wheel. But the wheels, they're Schwinn branded. Might be double wall. I'm not sure if they're tubeless ready or not. The saddle is okay. It's comfortable. Although it's not a dropper post, which is not bad. This is, however, a real taper head tube, so you can easily fix this or convert it into a taper fork, just like the Axum. Brakes, I'm using 3 fingers to brake. 3 fingers to brake. Now, oh, and the pedals, very slippery. You don't have any tread on the knobs right there. The crank arms, they're 170 millimeters. They're aluminum with a single chain ring. However, it's not a Halotech bottom bracket. It's not even a seal bearing bottom bracket. It's external bearing, so that might need an upgrade. But other than that, it's a pretty sweet bike. Pretty sweet bike. That's really all. It's really not too bad. It's a really good bike for $200. This thing was a great find. I cannot wait to upgrade this thing. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, link down in the description. Don't forget to comment and share. Let me know what kind of upgrades you want to see in this bike. Let me know what you think, because I already got most of the parts. Let me know down in the comments what do you think I got, and let's go from there. Hopefully we get this sweet thing done pretty fast and give it to my wife. Well, it's already hers, but please subscribe if you want to see more of this build. And that's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.